So you might be in a situation where for some reason Google Gemini is just not working. Now, what does this mean? Well, maybe you're giving responses to Google Gemini or you're trying to have it kind of do things for you, but for some reason it's not working at all. The first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and just make sure that you have proper internet connection. Sometimes if your internet connection is a problem or if it's not working, that can probably be the problem. So make your way over into your internet settings of your phone or device that you have, and just go through and make sure you have a proper good internet connection connected. That is going to be the first thing I'd recommend doing, because if that's a problem, that's going to be an issue. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be working, the next thing you might want to try doing is to just go through and make sure you're connected to Google Gemini, like you have your account set up. Because if you don't, that can also be a random problem, a random issue you might run into. If that doesn't work, you can try refreshing or restarting your Google Gemini instance, like just refresh the web page. Or you can go inside of your app store just like so. And then you can go through and try to find Google Gemini or try to search for it and try updating the Gemini application. A lot of the times, updating those applications can probably end up fixing the problem for you once again. And that's another thing I'd recommend kind of doing. If that's still not working, you can try restarting your phone. That seems to be another really big thing you can try doing too. So try restarting your phone, try updating it. Those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If Google is down, then you might just have to wait until they end up fixing their servers. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.